Hi, you're welcome to this channel, Canoe TV. If this is your first time of coming across this our channel, please hit the subscribe button for more movie reviews and latest movie alerts. Thank you very much. Today, I want to talk about the mystical world of Koleoso, a film rooted in Yoruba mythology where the battle between good and evil takes place on a supernatural edge. The cast in this movie are Ibrahim Yekini, aka Iteledicon, set àwọn Mẹ̀tẹ́tínì, àwọn Màjẹ̀rúnì. We can also see Fatai Oduduwa, Olúwakẹ́mi Àpèsìn, Hafiz Abiodun, Jimmy Roland, Saliu Gbolagade, and so on and so forth. The story follows the legacy of Osogbemi, a powerful sorcerer and the father of 3 children, Koleoso, Osobola, and Efun, who inherit his mystical powers. At the center is Koleoso, the strongest son, who uses his powers for intimidation and exploitation, while his younger siblings struggle to steer him from his dark path. The movie explores power, corruption, and the right to maintain integrity in the face of spiritual warfare. If you haven't subscribed yet,
please subscribe.
Please press the subscribe button, like and share the video. Thank you very much. The movie opens with the irony initiate. So money also me for his offenses. He calls upon Koleoso for help, but not before being caught, trapped by a machete that can only be freed by blood. With help from his children and a secret ointment from the Ileosho tattoo on Koleoso's back, the curse is broken. But this victory sets off a dangerous chain of events. Let's do a short summary of the movie one after the other. Koleoso in part 1, it was released on May 8th of this year, 2025, and it already has more than 2.1 million views. The first movie chapter introduces us to Osogbemi, ruthless parenting style, raising Koleoso, Osobola, and Efun under brutal conditions to be fortified in wizardry magic. The family mission is to rise above everyone, politically, socially, and financially, through the powers of Yoruba deities like Sango and the rest of them. It's an intense family drama steeped in magic and dominance. In Koleoso 2, the part 2, it was released on June 6 this year, 2025, and it's also having more than 2 million views. This chapter turns up the heat with a power against clash. Another fortified man named Jawishoro, when Koleoso tries to marry Osu, who's already under Jawishoro's spell. Tension erupts into a supernatural battle. Neither side wins. Jawishoro vanishes, and the ending leaves the viewers craving for the next chapter. Please, just a quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed, now is the time. You don't want to miss the updates. Alright? Okay, let's go to part 3. Thank you very much for subscribing. I love that. The part 3 was released June 13, 2025, with over 1 million views. This part takes us deeper into mystical confrontation and moral reckoning. Osogbemi's belief, that's the father of the 3 children causing havoc. He believes in supernatural fortification force. Koleoso's rise as the most powerful and most feared in the family. Osobola uses her power for vice and deceit, while Efun seeks a more honorable path at university. But Koleoso arrived on campus to protect Efun. set him on a collision course with Jawe Soro over Osu. This ignites a bitter supernatural feud. Yeah, in the climax, we can see the Osogbemi's family uniting against Jawe Soro, yet the war remains unsolved, leaving a shadow over the trilogy's structure and hinting at more to come. It keeps the viewers on edge. In part 4, the Aroni initiates hire Oguta to attack Koleoso's family. Oguta tries to gather a team, but they refused. So he kidnaps Oshobola and Efun. And the movie culminates in a confrontation at the initiate shrine. Just trying to look for the secrets to the power of Oshogbemi. While in part 5, we see that the movie delves into the family uses of supernatural spiritual powers and the consequences of their action. Osobola's dark magic is highlighted as she manipulated and enslaves Desmond, a man she hired. The movie also showcases the ongoing battle between good and evil within the family and with external forces. POV, I would say Koleoso is a mystical trail ride, but its heavy reliance on supernatural theme makes it speaks most directly to audiences steeped in supernatural warfare tradition. Whether you see it as a masterpiece or a looping saga of power struggle, one thing is certain: the movie just keep the viewers hooked. Yes, and if you are hooked too, you already know how it's going to be. Please subscribe now for more reviews and latest movie. You can also wait for the Yoruba interpretation later. Thank you very much, my subscriber. I love you.